Hi everyone, welcome to Dataverse Academy. In today's video, we will learn how we can connect to the Lakehouse using PowerBI Desktop. Log into your Microsoft Fabric account, then click on below left hand corner, then click on Data Warehouse, then click on Workspaces, then click on your workspace. This is the Lakehouse to which we are going to connect from Power BI Desktop. Now let's move to the Power BI Desktop. Before proceeding, let me tell you something. You should have a read access, or either you can be a contributor or a admin of the Microsoft Fabric. Right now, I'm using the same mail ID which I'm using in Microsoft Fabric. So you can use the same mail ID to log into your Power BI desktop. Now click on Get Data, then click on More, then search for Lakehouse. Click on it, then click on Connect. Here you can see I have two Lakehouse. One is under this workspace and one is under the default workspace. I'm going to connect to this Lakehouse. Click on it, then click on this drop down. Here you can see two things. One is connect to SQL endpoint. If you click on this, it means you are populating all the tables from Lakehouse. And if you click on this, then you need to provide the SQL endpoint for the Lakehouse. Then you will get an option to choose particular tables. So I'm going to connect through SQL endpoint. Click on it. As you can see, these are the tables which I have in my Lakehouse. I'll select fact sale, dimension date, dimension city, and dimension customer. Then click on load. Now you can choose either import query mode or direct query mode. For now, I'll choose direct query mode. Click on OK. You can see I got all the selected table in my Power BI desktop. Now using these tables, column and data, you can design your Power BI report. Then you can publish it into your Power BI service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.